Welcome to Gimp Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to remove acne using the Heal tool in Gimp 2.10.10. So first you're going to go to Gimp, then you're going to load in your picture by dragging it from the task manager to Gimp. And then once you're here, you're going to select the healing tool, picture of two band-aids, and we're going to remove acne from the skin. So we're going to start with here. We're going to click Control and click somewhere that has the same tone as the same spot, and then you let go of Control. Wherever that is, it's going to take that and mix it with the rest. You're going to use the left click to sort of draw over it. You'll see it starts to vanish. Now click Control, click next to this one, and then you'll see it just starts to vanish. We're going to keep going through the whole bit of where you want to get everything out. So let's go down here. You're going to click Control and left click to your sample spot and sort of draw over it. And there's a little bit there. I'm going to select a new sample, keep going. And we're going to do this for the rest of the picture. So click Control, left click, and draw over it. Now we're going to start up here where it's a little worse, but with the same steps. So to Control and then left click to draw over it. I'm going to try and pick certain parts to take samples from that match as good as possible. So I like to start with less, continue to more. You'll just keep going through the whole of the picture. You'll see that acne just vanishes. We'll go back over here a little bit, click Control, select near it, and just keep drawing over it. Now you can see the difference. If we hide the top layer, the original, you can see the original and the modified. It makes quite a difference. So that is how to remove acne using the healing tool in Gimp 2.10.10. Please like and subscribe to help my channel. Thanks for watching.